Having the 7 chakras in balance is very important because it's basically the blueprint for being able to manifest. If you're trying to manifest and do all these affirmations and your chakras are not in balance, you're going to have a tough time manifesting or like just seeing things that you want come into fruition because you're not in harmony within yourself. You're not tapped in within yourself. In this video, I'm just going to go through each chakra, how you may feel if they're blocked, what to do to balance them, my 2 ways and how I balance my chakras. And those 2 ways are like either having essential oils with a diffuser or just having the crystal that's connected to that chakra. So I'll be showing you both options after each chakra. We can get into a practice of, balancing it and always being in harmony within ourselves and just being able to manifest everything and see everything come into fruition so much quicker because we're in balance. You have to find the balance before you manifest. Have you ever felt like sometimes God don't hear you, or like when you pray your prayers are not being heard? That means your crown chakra is blocked. Your crown chakra is basically the temple, the part of the body that connects you to the divine. If it is blocked, you'll have like a bunch of mental fogginess. You'll have troubles connecting with, God and spirit. You'll suffer a lot of depression and you won't be grounded. You won't feel like you're firm in your place of life. If the crown chakra is balanced, you'll be feeling basically like universal love. You'll be feeling like the universe is hearing you and sending you signs. You'll feel like connected to a higher purpose. You'll be more within your God conscience. You'll have like tunnel vision. You're gonna have strong belief, understanding of your place in life and your spirituality, and you're gonna have strong faith. The way to balance this out would be to buy a clear quartz crystal because that is what's connected to the crown chakra. And if you meditate, you can just place it on your head and that will increase the vibration of you balancing that chakra and being able to connect to your higher self and your higher conscious. Be aware of the signs that are always being sent to you. Another way of balancing the crown chakra would be to purchase the oil called frankincense. I'll probably place it somewhere, frankincense. And you just put that into a diffuser and that basically helps you open up and balance that chakra. The next crystal is the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra, if it's blocked, you basically won't be able to listen to your intuition. You're gonna have poor judgment. You probably would be the type to get fucked over a lot because you can't see through people's bullshit. You have no vision, no direct clear path. Can't see beyond reality. Like you're just too stuck in your ways. Like you don't have an open mind. The way to balance it would be purchasing amethyst crystals. This is an amethyst crystal. This is a bigger version. Everywhere I go, this is in my purse because it helps me just be able to pick up the energy of people around me and raise my vibration on being able to develop those, I call them superpowers, like increase my superpowers. Or you can buy essential oils such as rosemary, basil, and patchouli. Those will also help you balance your third eye chakra. If it's balanced, you're going to be able to manifest better. You're going to have psychic abilities. You can also feel people's vibes and their intentions and everything and just know what they're thinking. You can have strong inner wisdom. You're going to be able to just know. You're going to have downloads. It's basically going to open the energetic field for your downloads. And you're going to have a lot of clarity. You're going to know what's going on, when it's going on. You can even wear colors that are connected to the chakra. Every chakra has their own incense and it has their own color. So you can wear a color to help you regulate your chakra. The next one is the throat chakra. The throat chakra helps you put your feelings into words, have clear communication, get your words across, being able to speak up when you need to, and not mumble when you speak, not stutter when you speak is gonna give you that strong leadership voice. If it's blocked, you're gonna have a tough time getting your words across. You're not gonna speak up for yourself. You're gonna stay quiet. You're not gonna be able to put your feelings into words and defend yourself. Give you that energy of being misunderstood because you're not able to put your feelings across. And the way to balance it is by having a lapis lazuli crystal. You can easily research crystals that are connected to the crown chakra, the third eye chakra, the throat chakra, and crystals will come up. But I have a lapis lazuli. This is what I carry with me, especially when I have to do things with speech. And it's been working very good for me. I've been meditating lately because I used to have speech problems when it came to me on camera. But I would meditate and connect my throat chakra to this crystal and just connect it and strengthen it because I do a lot of things through meditation. That's where I thrive. Or you can have essential oils such as lavender, sage, and neroli. Those 3 essential oils help with the throat chakra. So yeah, if you feel like you're not able to communicate thoroughly, if you feel like you stutter too much when you talk, or you find it hard to just put your feelings into words, that means your throat chakra is blocked. And like I said, there's like incense sticks for everything. You can even buy on Amazon. Like once you light it, it helps balance your chakras. It's so good, so good. No issues, just expressing yourself and, you know, being able to say, this is who I am. Like, even like boundaries. I don't know why, but boundaries comes up in my head. Maybe I need to focus on my boundaries. The next chakra is the heart chakra. The heart chakra is located in the center of the heart. Like, the heart's right here, but in the center, because, you know, it's aligned. If your heart chakra is blocked, you're gonna be hateful. You're gonna have no empathy for nobody. You're not gonna care about nobody's feelings. You're gonna have like trust issues. You're not gonna have good relationships. You're just gonna be like a walking hateful energy. Like, you don't give a fuck. So you need to balance that, because if you're vibing on that energy, nothing good is gonna go your way, bro. So like, we need to balance that, okay? Because I used to be bitter and it wasn't fun, and now I'm loving and it's fun because it's just mad love. Like, who got time for hate? Just love. Anyways, but look, in order to balance it, you can buy a green aventurine crystal. Keep it around you for a couple days, and you're gonna see that you're more accepting of people. You have more empathy. You're gonna be able to like feel one with everybody and more connected with others. So that's what happens when you balance it. You're gonna be more accepting. You're gonna be more in union with people. You're gonna be thinking and acting with your heart, not with your impulses or your mind. So balance your heart chakra by putting on essential oils such as rose or bergamot. Those essential oils help with balancing the heart chakra. If it's not balanced, you can even end up like self-sacrificing yourself for others, doing more than what you need to in a relationship, giving too much and receiving way too little, like just being really attached to things that don't serve you. You're gonna be resulting in a lot of jealousy. Like, things won't go your way because you'll be giving so much and trying to do everything for everybody, and you're not working on yourself, and it won't result in something good. So you have to always balance your heart chakra and have that intact. There's also an incense for the heart chakra. You can light it up. All of them smell good. But there are different types of crystals. Like, I always want to remind you guys, the ones that I'm showing you guys are not the only ones. You can get like emerald, green jade. I have rose quartz right here, which works for the heart chakra. I have that in this version and like a small version. But then I also have green aventurine, and they both work towards the same thing, because it's about receiving love and being able to give love and healing the heart and prepare it for the giving and the receiving of love, and just being able to accept and love and vibe all around and just have that great aura. The next chakra is the solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra is basically like the wheel to everything you do. It's your drive. It's your ability to get up in the morning and get it on. It's being able to have an idea, follow it, always stick to your goals, and move forward every day as much as you can to get closer to your goals. Like, it's about having that drive and motivation. Like, the solar plexus, I had to do a lot of work with this because I suffer from procrastination. So if it's not balanced, you can be like very critical of yourself, judgmental of others, which blocks you more in making moves or being able to like do things. You'll try to like dominate everyone in a room. Like, you'll be that person that talks the most but has nothing. We don't want to be that person. We want to be that person that talks and like follows up with the actions. So the solar plexus is what helps you balance the ability to do that. And you can buy a crystal or essential oil. The crystal I have here is a citron crystal. The oils that you can use are lemon or chamomile. You balance your solar plexus. Balance sacral chakra, that means that you have no problem with your confidence. You have great self-image. You're able to stand up in a room and be able to like stand in your power. You're very assertive. You're in your purpose. You don't have low self-esteem. Like, you own it in every room. Almost like dominating aura you have. Reminds me sort of like a businesswoman or a businessman. Like, yeah, I want this, 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 and that. Cut the bullshit. This is what I want. Like, that's what this reminds me of. So like, tie this one up. If you're just like one of those people who have so many ideas, so many thoughts, want to do so many things but just don't know how to really put the action towards it, that just means that your solar plexus chakra is blocked. That's why you want to balance this out and strengthen it. The next chakra we have here is the sacral chakra, and it's located even further down beneath, right near your abdomen, and it has to do with your pleasure, your sexuality, being in your femininity, being in your masculinity, being able to step into that power and embrace it. If it's blocked, you'll have basically problems feeling intimacy. You won't have much pleasure. You feel isolated and lonely. You'll basically feel guilty or shameful if you do things that help your happiness in a way or contribute to your happiness, such as sex, and that just means that your sacral chakra is blocked. And the way you can balance it is by having a carnelian crystal. There's also incenses. It also helps with your emotional responses and regulation, and is often referred to as the seat of emotions. Not being able to feel good, or like just because of what you were born into or the things you were taught, your emotions are kind of like filtered to be one way when you want it to be another way, leading you to like put dirt on your happiness. Like being in your power, if it's balanced, you're gonna be able to feel the joy, feel pleasure, have great like sexuality, and you're gonna be very nurturing. You're gonna have deep, nice emotions. You're gonna be able to feel deep emotions. You're gonna have a lot of passion and optimism. This has to do with just pleasure and joy and not feeling guilty and just being able to embrace yourself and your body. The essential oils you can use for that, the ones I use, sandalwood is my favorite. It smells the best. And you can also use Maniling. I never knew how to pronounce that. I think it's Maniling. The last chakra is the root chakra. This chakra is the most important because if this is not aligned, nothing will be aligned. Everything will be all over the place. It will just be a hot mess. So the root chakra is basically what grounds you. What gives you your security of life, is being okay and firm. If your root chakra is blocked, you will feel instability, and it will show up in your financial life because this also has to do with your finances. Anxiety, fear, like you're not grounded. You won't feel firm in your place of life. You'll be either too materialistic, you know, needing money for power, aggressive, greedy. You'll be lustful, feelings of insecurity. In order to balance it, you can buy a red jasper. It's called the red jasper. You can put on oils such as clove and cedar. So yeah, and that's my video on the 7 chakras and why they're important. And if you want to manifest and be able to manifest quickly, you gotta make sure that you're tapped in with yourself, that everything inside is good. Like, you don't understand, these are superpowers. These are like superpowers. Once you keep them around you for a long time, they're able to vibrate off you and like understand your connection and pick up your energy. They're gonna work for you, baby. Also, it helps with manifesting. You can't really manifest if your chakras are blocked because you're not being one with the universe. If you're not one with yourself, you can't be one with the universe and manifest. This is some good soup. Good soup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time. I am so proud of you. Look at you trying to progress because you're trying to win and make it in life. As you should. I am beyond proud of you. Continue going. Continue watching these videos because I am all about progressing, all about elevating, all about seeing the results within the people. Okay? Like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Soul Tribe. You already know my vibe. You can't find me outside because I'm a homebody vibe. And I'd rather stay inside because I'd rather waste no money and keep it in my eyes. Alright, but you get it though. Follow me. Vibe. Thank you for watching this video. Balance them chakras, baby. You don't want to walk around like a hot chakra mess. Okay? Balance them.